everyone, this is Chandni and welcome back to my channel Super School. I am back with another video from the vocabulary series. Yes, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, then go back and watch the other videos from my vocabulary series. Then you'll be able to know that learning word is not boring and it's not as difficult as you think it is. So learn new words with me every day. And today I have brought 3 new words for you, or I can say I've picked 3 new words for you. So the first one is authenticity. Authenticity is a familiar word and it means the quality of being real or true instead of fake. So we know this word, but often we struggle to use this. So let's see how can we use this through an example that I prepared for you. The authenticity of this information cannot be tested due to lack of factual data. The authenticity of this information cannot be tested due to lack of factual data. So that means I am expressing that how much real this data is that I cannot explain because I don't have any data or any fact to explain it. So, whenever we write any report or whenever we write or speak about something in general, we need to use this word to justify any opinion or to justify any fact or data or information like that. So this word is very important, or maybe it's beneficial if you are trying to give out such type of information which I have just mentioned. Now let's move on to the second one, which is avenue. Avenue is a common word, but do you know that it's a noun and it means an intangible path or approach to something? Yes, so in a sentence, you can use it to replace a common word that we use, way. So let's see how we can do this. The company has decided to pursue other avenues. That means the company has decided to pursue other ways or other routes or other paths. So isn't it a word which can lift up your quality of sentence? So an intangible path or approach to something, that is avenue, and we can use it in a sentence like the company has decided to pursue other avenues, or my avenues towards my goal is not like others. So you can use it in many different occasions. Now the third word is avid. Avid or avid. So avid is the British pronunciation and avid means actively interested in or enthusiastic about something. So this word can be used to express strong liking or strong interest. Now avid is an adjective and let's see how we can use it in a sentence. My best friend is an avid cricket fan like me. My best friend is an avid cricket fan like me. So actively interested fan like me. So someone who's actively interested in something. So use adjective, use noun and verb in such a way so that the quality of your sentence can improve and you can achieve higher band score in your speaking test for IELTS. So let me know if my videos are helping you out in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and also follow my Facebook page because I'm offering a course for you which can help you out to create a strong base in English language learning. So thank you so much.